Hello there, maybe again if I stopped by earlier. This little video is going to run through the prep for quiz number 2, which is a nice little refresher of the little bit of stuff we covered this week. So here we go. Okay, so first just going to go over a couple things, and then we're going to go through a normal routine. We have the cards dealt out, go to the whiteboards, and do a little bit of practice. Okay, but kind of the two main things here. One is that when I have a right angle triangle, okay, and I know an angle in the corner, right, that we need to be able to label the sides, okay? So the longest side across from the right angle is always hypotenuse. Okay, the one that across from it, okay, we call that the opposite, because it's the opposite side. And the one that's beside it is the adjacent side, okay? So you need to know how to set up the labels. In fact, when you're solving a problem with trig, I would like to see those sides labeled, okay, because that helps me know that you know what the setup was. Okay, the other key thing is those three ratios that we've been talking about, right? We have sine, and we have cosine, and we have tan for tangent. Okay, and you need to know which is which. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay. Again, a little mnemonic that can help with that, right, is so, ka, toa, to help you remember which is which. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Here are two triangles. Okay. For the one on the left, okay, I want you to find the value of side x. And for the one on the right, okay, you're finding the angle, right? So for this one, you're finding side x. And for this one, I want you to find the angle. So and we're going to ask for the video to be paused, okay? And then you can deal with the cards, go up to the boards for maximum about 5-10 minutes, right? 10 max, okay? And then I will play the solutions to check it against it, okay? That's what I want you to do. Okay, so please pause the video, deal with the cards, and resume when you're ready to look at them. Okay, so we're back, hopefully from the whiteboards, or standing quietly at the whiteboards, going over this. So we'll start with the green triangle. Okay, first thing, okay, and on your quizzes, I want to see this. We're going to put on the labels. Okay, this side is hypotenuse. Okay, the one across from it is opposite. Okay, and I have an angle. Okay, third side is adjacent, but I don't really need it here. Okay, because I have opposite, right? Sorry, I want opposite. I have hypotenuse, so that means I need to use, that's right, sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, I fill in what I know. Sine of 15 degrees equals something over 10. Okay, we go to our calculator. We calculate sine of 15. It is 0.2588 equals x over 10. I'm going to do this fast because you should already have it done on the boards. Okay, multiply that by 10 to get x, and that's going to be 2.588. Okay, rounding it off nicely, we'll call that about 2.6 is equal to x. Okay, so the side length of x is 2.6. Hope you got something close to that when you were on the board. Okay, for the second triangle, I'm looking for an angle, but we'll do the same thing. Okay, I have the side across from it. That's opposite, and I have the side beside it. That's not the hypotenuse. So that's the adjacent side. Okay, I want to find the angle, which ratio involves opposite and adjacent. That is tan. So tan of an angle is opposite over adjacent. Okay, I plug in what I know. Tan of an angle is 3 over 3. Okay, what's 3 divided by 3? That's 1. And my final step to get an angle is to do the tan inverse. So theta equals tan inverse of 1. And when you plug that into your calculator, you get 45 degrees. So the angle in that corner was 45 degrees. Okay, that is your brief recap of those key skills. Okay, so you should now be ready to write the quiz. Okay, so we're going to need to separate the desks enough that there's people are spread out. Okay, and then you're going to work on the quiz for the next little while. Okay, just as reminders, okay, and you'll get the same instructions, I'm sure, from the covering teacher or from Mrs. Moore. Okay, right, there is to be no talking during the quiz until everyone is done, not just you, okay, until the entire class is finished. If you're finished early, you should probably finish up that measurement assignment, okay, and hand it in, or that sheet that you're working on yesterday, if I don't have it already, get that handed in, okay, because after today, that's it, okay, give me what you got. I'm not taking it after today, so make sure you use your time effectively and get stuff done. Okay, and have a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday.